All right, let's take a look at the absolute fastest way to get a Go application deployed to Vercel. So I'm going to create a directory called river_Vercel, cd into it, and then I'm going to run a command called npm create river at latest. It's going to ask me for a module name. I'm just going to say app. It's going to ask me about a UI framework. I'm just going to say React. It's going to ask me about a package manager. I'm going to say PNPM. And then for deployment target, we want to select Vercel. Now, this is going to create and install a River app, which is an application framework similar to Next.js or Remix, but it uses Go on the back end. And as you saw in that little builder, you can choose React Solid or Preact on the front end. All right, so this is done. Now, what I'm going to do here is initialize a Git repository here and add all these files. I'm just going to call it init river Vercel. And then I've actually got a fresh repo here, and I'm going to copy those commands, push these up. Now, I haven't set this up in Vercel yet, but I'm going to do that right here by hitting Add New Project. It's going to ask to import a Git repository, and I've got one right here. So I'll hit Import. And for Framework Preset, this isn't set up automatically in Vercel yet, so we're just going to say Other, but everything else is handled by the template that we created before. So I'm just going to hit Deploy. And we'll just wait for Vercel to start building here. Let's see how long it takes. You can watch the build logs. You know, usually this isn't a good thing to do in a video, but I'm actually going to do this just so you can see how fast it is. And this is pre-cache, of course. So we're at about 30 seconds. If you want to learn more about River, you can go to river.now. That's our website. Our docs are extremely rough at this point, but we're going to have much better docs coming soon. The new project Bootstrapper is in very good shape, though. All right, so now we've got everything downloaded on the Go side. We're running a build, and after this, Vercel is actually downloading Go a second time. Hopefully, that's something that they fix in the near future. We're actually downloading Go twice here, once for the build step and then a second time for their own build step. Now we're done here, and we've got a screenshot showing that it worked. So let's continue to the dashboard for this project and just visit the site. And there we go. The absolute fastest and easiest way to deploy a Golang application to Vercel. Thanks for watching.